everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this class we'll discuss question number 15, 16 and 17, and then each explanation write the detailed solution of this question, this 15, 16, 17 also. And at the end of the video we will discuss MCQ on AP series. There will be 5 questions. I will discuss 4 questions and you have to answer 1 question and 1 question for you. So we will answer on the comment section. So let us start with question number 15. So question number 15 says that a contractor on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follow: rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, and the penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day. How much money of the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? So let us understand the questions properly. So मतलब यहाँ पर एक कंस्ट्रक्शन जॉब हो रहा है, वहां पर क्या हो रहा है कि ऐसे कंडीशन लगाया गया है कि फर्स्ट अगर पेनल्टी करेगा कंट्रैक्टर तो उसको फर्स्ट डे के लिए 200 देना पड़ेगा, अगर सेकेंड डे में डिले किया है तो 250 देना पड़ेगा, थर्ड डे में 230 300 देना पड़ेगा, मतलब सक्सीडिंग डे में प्रीसीडिंग डे का 50 रुपीज ज्यादा देना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? तो मतलब अगर पहला दिन 200 देना दे रहा है तो सेकंड डे में 250 देगा, मतलब 50 ज्यादा देना पड़ेगा. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट कंट्रैक्टर इफ 30 डे डिले कर रहा है तो उसको पेनल्टी चार्ज कितना होगा. क्लियर? सो अंडरस्टैंड. सो यहाँ पर फर्स्ट डे का पेनल्टी कितना है 200 एंड सेकंड डे का पेनल्टी है 250 एंड थर्ड डे का पेनल्टी है 300 एंड ऐसे करके डेज तक देना पड़ेगा. सो डोंट नो 30 डेज का पेनल्टी कितना है. सो लेट अस फाइंड आउट इट. So 30 days means according to AP series, this is obviously a AP series because gap is 50. The common difference is 50 everywhere. So this is AP series. So we can find out T30. T30 you have to find. So T30 equals to, we can write A plus 29D, because you know A equals to A plus TN. You can say A plus N minus 1 into D. Clear? Yeah, but value of N is what? 30. So A, value of A means first term equals to 200 plus 29 into D means here 50. Yeah. So 200 plus 29 into 50. So multiply 29 into 5. So 2 9 ja, 2 5 ja 10 and 5 9 ja 45. So answer is what? 1 4 5 and 0. And you have to add 200. So answer is here this one, and we have to add 200. So we'll get 1650. So this will be the, so answer is what? 1650. 1650. T30 equals to 1630. So but we have to find what? S30. So S30 means, if I add the slide, so S30 we have to find. S30 equals to, we know the formula Sn equals to what? N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Clear? So S30 means 30 by 2 bracket 2 into A, value of A is 200 plus N minus 1 means 30 minus 1 into D. D means what? 50. Done. So 30 by 2 means 15. 2 into 2 is 400 plus 29 into 50. Done. So if we multiply 29 into 50, we'll get 1450. Okay, and if we add this one, we'll get 1850. Okay, so 15 into, we'll get this one. So if we add into multiply by 15, 15 1 ja 15, and this is 1000 place, so we'll put 30. 15 8 ja 120, this is 100 place, and 15 5 ja 75. So means if we add this one, we'll get 05772. Means answer is 27,750. So this is the penalty for 30 days. So you can see the detailed solution in printed form. So you can make your notes from this slide properly. Next, question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each prize. Clear? So means sum assigned. Sorry. So 700 is assigned means total prize money is 700. Okay. Total prize money is 700 total, and it is distributed among 7%. Among 7%. So condition is that overall academic performance if each prize is ₹20 less than its preceding price. Okay, so means अगर फर्स्ट हुआ है तो फर्स्ट पर्सन को, सो यहाँ पर क्या बोल रहे हैं कि एक स्कूल में एक प्राइज सेरेमनी हो रहा है, उसमें 7% को प्राइज दिया जा रहा है एंड टोटल प्राइस क्या है 700. उसमें से फर्स्ट को जितना मनी अवार्ड दे दिया जा रहा है, सेकंड को उससे 20 लेस दिया जा रहा है, उससे 20 लेस. थर्ड को सेकंड को जो मिल रहा है उससे भी 20 लेस. तो ऐसे करके 7% को कैश प्राइज गिवन दिया जा रहा है. ओके, मीन्स इफ आई से लेट फर्स्ट पर्सन को गिवन है A एंड सेकंड पर्सन का क्या होगा A-20 एंड थर्ड पर्सन क्या होगा A-20 -20, दैट मीन्स A-40. यस, एंड फोर्थ पर्सन को क्या होगा A-40 -20, दैट मीन्स A-60. ओके, नेक्स्ट A-60 -20, that is A-80. A-80 -20, that is A-100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more A-100 -20, that is A-120. So these are the 7 cash price. Okay, so A is unknown here. So if we find out the value of A, first cash price for prize money, so we can find all the prize money. Means you have to find the value of each prizes. Okay, so in the next slide, so means here first term is A and common difference is D equals to what -20, and we know the term 7 term. So okay, so S7 is what given 700. So S7 equals to 700. So S7 you can write 7 by 2, 2 into A plus n minus 1, n means 7 into D, that is -20 equals to 700. So 7 by 2 will be this side. So 2A plus 7 minus 1, that is 6 into -20, and 700 into 7 by 2 if we divide 2 by 7. Okay, so 2A 6 into 1 to -20, that means -120 equals to 7 ja, that is 100 and 200. So 2A equals to write 200 plus 120. Okay, so 2A equals to 320 and A equals to 320 by 2, that is 160. Okay, so here implies any here. So A means what? 160. So now we have to find what? We have to find the value of each price. So if we put value of A, so 160 is the answer. 160 minus 20 means 140, 20, 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 7 prize money here. So you can check detailed solution in this slide. So first prize is A, second prize A-2, third prize A-40. 7 prizes is like that, and value of A is given. And value of D is -20. Sn equals to this one, S7 equals to this one. So answer is this one. Next we will discuss question number 17. So in a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree and section of class 2 will plant 2 trees and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections in each class. How many trees will be planted by each student? मतलब ये एक स्कूल में प्लांटेशन प्रोग्राम चल रहा है. यहाँ पर क्लास 1 से क्लास 12 तक ये प्रोग्राम हो रहा है. तो कंडीशन ऐसे कर रहा है कि एक क्लास में 3 सेक्शन है. मान लो सेक्शन आर A, B, C. सो ऐसे करके क्लास 2 में भी सेम 3 सेक्शन है. A, B, C सेक्शन मान लो. क्लास 3 में क्या है? A, B, C 3 सेक्शन है. तो ऐसे करके ये प्रोग्राम क्लास 12 तक चल रहा है. ठीक है. तो क्लास 12 में सेम कंडीशन A, B, C 3 सेक्शन है और क्लास 1 में एक सेक्शन से एक ही ट्री प्लांट कर सकता है. ठीक है. तो ये एक करेगा, ये मतलब टोटल कितना कर रहा है? 3 कर रहे हैं. क्लास 1 से 3 ट्री प्लांटेशन हो रहा है। क्लास 2 में क्या हो रहा है कि क्लास 2 में भी सेम क्राइटेरिया है कि ईच सेक्शन से 2 ट्री प्लांटिंग कर सकता है। मतलब ये 2 कर रहा है, ये 2 कर रहा है, ये 2 कर रहा है, मतलब टोटल कितना हो रहा है 6। क्लास 3 से क्या हो रहा है, ईच सेक्शन से 3 ट्री प्लांट कर सकता है। मतलब ये 3 कर रहा है, ये 3 कर रहा है, ये 3 कर रहा है, टोटल कितना हो रहा है 9 कर रहा है। ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके क्या हो रहा है, क्लास 12 में जब आओगे तो क्या देखोगे, एक सेक्शन से 12 करेगा, क्योंकि कंडीशन ऐसे गिवन है, ये 12 ये सेक्शन 12 करता है, ये सेक्शन भी 12 करता है, तो टोटल कितना होगा 36। तो मतलब हम लोग को एक एपी सीरीज दिख रहा है क्या कि 3, 6, 9 एंड 12। तो टर्म 1 क्या है 3, 6, 9 एंड ईच गैप क्या है, सब में कॉमन डिफरेंस 3 है, मतलब ये एपी सीरीज है। सो एपी सीरीज मतलब इसमें ए पता है को फर्स्ट टर्म 3 एंड डी क्या है 3 एंड और क्या पता है 12। सो S12 the question is that कि क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, देयर आर 3 सेक्शन ऑफ ईच क्लास एंड हाउ मेनी ट्रीज विल बी प्लांटेड बाय स्टूडेंट। ओके, सो कितने, तो टोटल 12 1 to 12 में 12 क्लास में कितने टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्री प्लांट किया गया है। सो मींस S12 भी हमको पता है 36। क्लियर, सो S इक्वल्स टू so this is T12, A3, D3 and T12 equal 36 पता है। We have to find S12। S12 मतलब पूरा का पूरा सब निकलना है। ठीक है, so S12 equals to we know the form Sn equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d। So 2 into a 3 plus n minus 1 into d, so d means 3, exact 12, so 6 2 3 is 6 plus 12 minus 1 11 into the 33, so 6 into 33 plus 6 means 39, so 6 3 is 18 and 6 9 is 54. If I add 4 3 2, so 2 3 4 the total number of planted by all the class 1 to 12. Now we'll discuss MCQ question. There is 5 question. I will discuss 4 question and for you there is 1 question. You have to comment in the comment section which is the correct answer. Okay, then I will reply on your comment. So first question is that ABCD are in AP, then value of this one. Okay, so let us assume that the AP series is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and A plus 4D. Yeah, and here this mistake is there. Here you should be here. A, B, C, D, E are in AP. So let us assume that this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, and this is E. Clear? So this is the element, and I assume like that. So this we know that these are the general formula of AP series. So then we solve this one. A minus 4B plus 6C minus 4D plus E. So value of A is given. So B is this one. So A plus 4D. Plus 6 into value of C this one, so A plus 2D minus 4 into D is this one, A plus 3D and plus E is this one, A plus 4D. So now we segregate A, so A 4A, 4 into A minus 4A, from this case 6A plus 6A, and from this minus 4 into A minus 4A, and from this A. So these are the A, all A. Next D. So 4 into D minus 4D, then 6 into 2D plus 12D, minus 4 into 3D means minus 12D, and here plus 4D is given. So now A plus 6A, 7A plus A, 8A, and minus 4A, 8 minus 8A means we got 0. And from this case, minus 4D plus 4D cancel out, plus 12D minus 12D cancel out, 0. So means 0 is the answer, means option number A is the answer here. Here. Question number 2, the 10th term from the end of the AP is what? ABCD option given. So from the end, wherever you see from the end now, you have to reverse the AP. So means you will write like that 254 and 14, 9 and 4. So reverse this. Here first term will be 254. Common difference you can see this one. 4 minus 9 minus 5. So common difference is minus 5. And you have to find what? You have to find 10th term, means T10 you have to find. So T10 you can write A plus 9D. Okay. So A means 254 plus 9 into D. D means what? Minus 5. So 254, 9 5 is 45. So if you subtract, you will got 209. So this is the answer here. Next, question number 3. If 2x, 6x plus 10, 3x plus 2 are in AP, then find the value of x. So suppose we assume that these are A, B and C. So A, B, C, three terms is given. We can apply this condition. B minus A equals to C minus B, means first second term minus first term, common difference, and second term minus first term, this common difference. These are equal. So from this equation we can write 2B equals to A plus C. Now B equals to what? A plus C by 2. So just put the value B. Value of B is what? X plus 10 equals to value of A is 2x plus value of C is what? 3x plus 2 divided by 2. So x plus 10 equals to 2x plus 3x, 5x plus 2 by 2. 2 will be multiplied here. So we got 2x plus 20 equals to 5x plus 2. So 2x minus 5x equals to 2 minus 20. So we'll get minus 3x equals to minus 80. So x equals to what? 6. So this is the answer here. Next, question number 4. For an AP, if D equals to 11 and find D7 minus D15. Okay. So D17. So from D17 we can write A plus 16D, right? Minus from D15 we can write A plus 14D. So these A and these A cancel out. 16 minus 14D means 2D. And D is 11, so you can put 11, that is 22. So this is the answer here. So we discussed 4 questions and this is for you. Okay. So we can solve and and answer in the comment section. Okay. And below your comment, I will answer whatever it is correct or not. Okay. So I hope you understand all the concept from this one. If there is any queries, any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. So I'll answer your questions. Thank you.